Hi everyone, I'm Vaughn, owner and maker of Vaughn Knits, and the long-awaited how to crochet video is finally here. So as I always brag that I am a crochet master, so I'm like really honored to be finally sitting down and doing this video. And so if you're a knitter and you want to learn how to crochet, or if you don't know any craft in the yarn world, and you want to learn how to crochet, this is the video for you. So are you ready? I'm going to do this video a little different than most tutorial videos that you're going to see for beginners, but I just want to show you how easy crochet is. Okay, so you just follow this video and practice this guide, and you can actually, by the time we're done, you're going to get tier status of close to mastery, and all that comes with is just practice. But the stitches are all there and they're all very simple. All right, so here we go. So you're going to start off with a slip knot, and what you do is you grab the yarn and wrap it around your finger, right? And then you stick the hook underneath and pull up that yarn and pull through, and there's your knot, and see how it's adjustable? And then what you do is, so that's the first one. So that's your slip knot when you see that. And then it all depends on what you're more comfortable with, and everybody is different. Everybody holds their hooks different, you know what I mean? So do what's comfortable for you. If something feels not good, then fix it so that it works for you. All right, so this is just how I do it. So what we're going to do, we always start off with chains. So that's a chain. Wrapping the yarn around and pulling through the loop. Wrapping the yarn around and pulling through the loop. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to do 5 stitches for each row, but you can do however many, and all to your heart's content. So we're going to just do 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's your chain. And you always do an extra one to add height to the next one, but this one does not count. This is just an edging. So the first stitch is the basic stitch, and that is a single crochet. You'll see it in the patterns as SCH, and that's single crochet. And what you do there is you stick your hook in the hole. Don't worry about where, just stick it in the hole. Pull the yarn, wrap the yarn around and pull the yarn up, and then you'll have 2 on your hook. And then just pull through, and there's your single crochet. Ready again? In the hole, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. In the hole, yarn over, pull through, yarn over. Continue to watch this video and you'll see how it goes. And then, oh, I'm about to have yarn vomit right on camera. But that all comes a part of it. That's all part of the yarn world. So I just want to make sure loose. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then in the hole, yarn over, pull through. In the hole, yarn over, pull through. There is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's your single crochet. And actually, I'm going to share a tip with you right here and now, because I hate weaving in ends. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to go right into this end weaving. So we're going to go in the hole, yarn over, and here's your tip, bonus tip. Take the yarn and put it underneath that, right? And then yarn over, and the end will come up, and then we're going to turn around. See how we moved up that end? We're going to come around, bring that yarn over in this side, and we're going to do our chain, because you know we always do a chain at the end, and that's just for edging. So here's our next 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we'll do another row of single crochet. So, and we're just going to weave right over the ends. So you stick the yarn in, see the 2 holes right there? Stick the yarn in, yarn over, still a single crochet, hanging on to the weaving in ends. See the hole right there? And that's the 2 loops up there. Yarn over, pull through, still doing a single crochet. Hole, yarn over, we're weaving right over the ends. in the hole, yarn over, pull through. See how easy it is to weave right over the end so you don't have that headache at the very end? And I do that all the time. It's my best tip for a crocheter. See how you're gonna go from beginner to master status in literally this one video. So drag that yarn over. We're gonna bring it back. We're gonna chain, turn, turn, bring the yarn back over and weave. You can choose to cut it off right now, this end, or weave in another row just for security reasons. You know, if you're worried about that end popping up somewhere else or something. So here we go. So in this next row, so that's your single crochet. You can practice that over and over again. That's single crochet. The next stitch we're going to learn is the half double crochet. And that is the next step up from a single crochet. And what you do there is you're going to yarn over before you stick it in the hole like a single crochet. You pull up and you're going to have 3 instead of 2. And pull it up and there's your half double. Yarn over, stick it in, pull it up, half double. And half double you'll see it as HDC. Yarn over, pull through, and then pull it up. If you don't yarn over and you just stick it in, remember, that's a single crochet. If you yarn over and then stick it in that hole, that's a half double crochet. And that's, see, one more, yarn over, stick it in, half double crochet. And I'm just going to choose to let this go now because I'll just cut that end off and be done because I've got 2 rows of it in there, so it's nice and tight and secure. So we're not worried about that anymore. So that's the half double crochet. So what is a double crochet then? A double crochet is the next stitch up from so we're going single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet is a taller stitch. So we're gonna, to do this stitch, it's not 1 anymore because a double crochet is pretty high. So what we need to do is a double crochet is equivalent to 3 chains. So at the end, you're gonna 3 chains, and that's gonna count as your first double crochet. The next one, you're gonna yarn over just like your half, and we're gonna skip that one because that's gonna count as the double there. We're gonna go into here and pull through. So you almost like your half, but now instead of pulling it all through 3 loops, you're just going to pull it through the first and then pull it again through the second. And that creates your double crochet. So we got a single, half double, and a double. Ready? Yarn over, pull it into that hole right there. And then pull through 1 and then pull through 2. And that's where the double crochet comes in. So 1 crochet, 2 crochet. See? Easy. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 1, pull through 2. So that's your double crochet. So we got single, single, half double, double, right? You ready for the last one? And this is it. Once you master these stitches, you've got crochet down. And it's all a matter of like you're looping into the post, front post, back post. Like it's really easy after that. So this is the last one, which is a triple. Okay? So a triple is the same thing as your chain is your last one. So 1, 2, 3, 3 chains to equivalent to the height of that triple crochet. And how you do a triple crochet is you yarn over twice. See how there's 3? And you get in here and you pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3. There's your triple crochet. Yarn over, yarn over twice into the hole, pull through 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over twice into the hole, pull through 1, 2, and 3. This is your triple. Yarn over twice, and this is the last one where you want, so it's the top of the 3 chains. See how 1, 2, 3, the top of the 3 chain is this one tight little hook right here, tight little hole that you stick it in there for, and that anchors it. Cause see how, look at the nice height you get. So that's your last stitch. 1, 2, 3. And that's basically it. Guys, this is crochet. You practice this and you're going to be a crochet master. All right. So you want to go back and see this again. I'm just keep this in this video. Ready? So let's go back and do single crochet again. So you're going to chain for 1, and then you're just going to stick it in the hole. No yarn over. Stick it in the hole. This is a crochet. Single crochet. Stick it in the hole. Through. Stick it in the hole. Through. Stick it in the hole. Through. And that's only 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one is that weird little hook one right there. That little third chain from the bottom, from the top there. Stick it in that hole right there. And there's your single crochet. So a half double, which is the next step up. This is my favorite. The half double is literally my favorite stitch. Yarn over, stick it in, and it's all 3. All right. Half double, yarn over, and it's all 3. Yarn over, all 3. So you see, basically, you're just doing a bunch of single crochets, but it's just different, you know. And look at the nice stitch you're actually getting, because the triple, you could see how loose it is. The double is a little loose. You see how nice and thick the half doubles are. See how it's nice and thick? The half double is a little thicker than your single crochet. And that's it. Turn around, and we're going to do, so we just did a single, half double. I'll show you the double again. So that's 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, and the same thing, you're going to skip one because this 3 chain is equal to the first double crochet. So you're going to skip one, and so you're going into the next hole. So that's yarn over, and then instead of a half double, which is all 3 at once, we're going to do 1, 2, and this is your double. 1, 2. Ooh. I just spilled my water, but that's okay, because the camera is going to keep rolling, guys. All right, you ready? One more. Yarn over. 1, 2. Into the last hole. 1, 2. And there's your double crochet. And we'll do a final row of triple crochet, and I'll show you how to end it. And then you can repeat it, and you can do all kinds of fun stuff. So the triple, again, is yarn over twice. Skip the first one, because that triple chain is counts as a stitch. And then 1, 2, 3. 1, ooh, I just did a double. I forgot to wrap it twice. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Twice. 1, 2, 3. So play this video over and over again. Practice these stitches, and you guys are like, just, you can make masterpieces out of this. And this is crochet. So if you're a knitter and you've been overwhelmed and wanted to learn how to crochet, it's so easy. It's so easy. My next video I'll be doing is the knit crochet, is the knit one. And that's even easier than, this is it. This is all of crochet. So look at how beautiful, like you can, so depending on if you want a tight stitch, a thick stitch, a tall stitch, an even taller stitch, the lace, you know, that's it. And then how to finish it off, you yarn over, ready? You yarn over, and like a chain, and then you cut this off. Yeah. You cut this off, and then just pull it up, and that's it. Your knot is in there. So how to weave in, so I already showed you how to weave in the end from the one side, from the beginning side. Let me show you how to weave in the ends for this side. So just to polish you off so that you know how to crochet and how to close it off. Where's my needles? Oh, here's my better needle. I have like all kinds of needles in there. So you stick it in, right? And what I do is I just stick it in these holes right here, back and forth, and definitely into that last one, because that anchors it. And just pull it and straighten it out. and then come back and then like do the opposite. People are always like worried that these ends will come undone, and they really can't. They really don't. They just, you know, you could weave it in over and over again. I just do once or twice back and forth, and I've never had any problems with my ends. And that's pretty much it. And there's your ends. Now, if you were only doing like the single and the half double, look at how nice and tight there. You can weave it in there and stick it in there, and that's even more secure than the triple, which is at this end. So this is it. This is crochet. Easy peasy, right? All right, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, give it the hearts, give it everything, and share in the comments what you think of this tutorial and if you're all ready for your next project. And if you're already a patron of mine and you're in the dollar tier, that you're in the community, and you want to learn how to crochet, be sure to upgrade your status to the $3, and monthly in the $3 tier, I give you a brand new stitch tutorial, which is outside of this fancy footwork. These are just the basics. That's why these are basic stitches. After that, there's all these other fancy ways you can make the stitches work for you and do puff stitch. You can do circles, you can do rounds, you can do flowers, leaves, all kinds of fun stuff with crochet. You could do everything with crochet, you know, and it's all basically learning, utilizing these. So if you move up to the $3 tier status in the Patreon page, you'll get a new tutorial video once a month of a crochet video. All right, guys, God bless. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you think. Bye.